How's it going, everyone? Space Life here. Just thought I'd give you a little update in the garden. It's been raining loads, so all the plants are loving it, I think. Just gotta wait for that sun to come out and they'll go crazy. My dad's busy in there. We've got the sunflower here. It's pretty cool, you can actually see that they've decided what way to turn now. I'll show you all the other sunflowers over here. Oh, I think they've decided. I think they're going to be going that way. What do you think? It still is hard to tell, actually. There's another one there. Down here we got our tomatillos. I love the flowers on these things. Try and get you a good view of the flower. Look at that. Now this thing will turn into a bush, probably like this big, maybe bigger. And there'll be flowers coming all year round. And the fruits are pretty nice too. You can make some tomatillo salsa. And they go well in salads as well. I love them actually. Yeah, we've got our courgette here. One of our only original surviving courgettes from the frost. But we do have a few smaller ones down here that are looking okay. We have one under here actually, I need to get him some light. And this patch down here has gone mad. Tomatoes and beetroot in here as well. You can see the beetroot leaves are going crazy now, all because of this rain, I reckon. Carrots there. These little purple things in here are tree spinaches, and all of these. Our tomato patch here looks a little bit overrun because of these beetroots as well, but they stay pretty small, so the tomatoes will get through there. We've got all these wild flowers down here as well, which are pretty cool. Snapdragons, little buttercups. Not sure what these are yet, but yeah, everything's looking really nice. Got our raspberries here. If you're ready to pick, these ones look incredible. Look at them. Runner beans are coming along, trying to climb slowly. Slugs have attacked them a little bit. And loads more beetroot and turnips down here. Sweet peas. I'm gonna go in now, guys, it's starting to rain. I hope you like this update, and if you get a chance, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.